Question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C, so that ABCD is a square, diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. So here ABCD is a rectangle, but we need to prove ABCD to be a square. As we need to prove square, so we have to consider as a rectangle, but we will draw a square. This shape is like a square, but initially we are considering this as a rectangle, because a rectangle have 90 degrees and opposite sides equal. Now ABCD is a rectangle, A, B, C, D. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect A as well as angle C. This AC bisect A means this equal to this and this equal to this. They are equal. AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. Now to prove ABCD is a square, now we are going to prove that this is a square. And second, diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. In second part, we will have to draw the diagonal BD and have to prove that BD bisect B as well as angle D. So proof. Proof. Since AC bisects angle A, therefore angle BAC equal to angle DAC number 1. Then AC bisect angle C, AC bisect angle C, therefore AC bisects angle C, therefore angle BCA equal to DCA, therefore angle BCA equal to angle DCA number 2. Then third, this is a rectangle, so this parallel to this. Also this equal to this, and also AB parallel to DC. DC is a transversal. Therefore angle, this is a transversal, therefore angle this equal to angle this, angle BAC, angle BAC equal to angle ACD number 3. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. After this, after getting 1, 2, 3, so here this equal to this we got, this equal to this got, now this equal to this. So from this we can have this. So using 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, 1 and 3. One and 3, BAC same, so angle DAC equal to angle ACD. BAC equal to ACD. BAC same, so ACD equal to DAC. DAC equal to ACD. DAC equal to ACD. Therefore, if these two angles are equal, then these two sides will equal. Therefore, DAC of this DC equal to AD. Now these two angles are equal. This equal to this, this equal to this. As a result, these two angles are equal. If they are equal, then these two sides are equal. This equal to this now. This equal to AD. Number 4. After this, similarly, no need to say remaining part, directly you can say therefore rectangle ABCD is a square. Because rectangle opposite sides equal and these two consecutive sides are equal. Ultimately, all sides equal. This equal to this and this equal to this, this equal to this. Therefore, rectangle ABCD is a square. After this, then come to the next part. Diagonal BD bisect B as well as equal to D. Diagonal BD. So you draw diagonal BD bisect B as well as equal to D. So what to do? Diagonal BD bisect B as well as equal to D. Number 2. If you consider this diagonal of the figure, this is the figure. This is A, B, C, D, diagonal BD. Now this is diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So what to do? This is a square, so they are equal. As a result, this equal to this. Since ABCD is a square, here we prove, therefore BC equal to CD, therefore angle CBD equal to angle CDBBC. Number 5. This is a square, so these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, then these angles are equal, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Write down here, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. After this, you got these two equal. Now you show that these are alternate interior angle. Also, AB parallel to DC. Sides of opposite sides of a square are parallel, and BD is a transversal. BD is a transversal. Therefore, these two are parallel and this is transversal. So angle D is equal to angle this. These two angles are equal. So it is this equal to this. So ABD, therefore angle ABD equal to angle CDB or BDC. BDC number 6. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So from here, BDC same as a result, CBD equal to ABD. CBD equal to ABD. From 5 and 6. From 5 and 6 we get angle. These are same as a result, angle ABD equal to angle CBD. Angle CBD equal to angle ABD. ABD. These two sides are angles are equal. If these are equal, ABD equal to CBD, they are equal. If they are equal, it means BD bisect angle B. Therefore, BD bisect angle B. BD bisect angle B. After this, BD bisect angle B. Then similarly, we can prove that BD bisect angle D. BD bisect angle D. Hence, BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Proved. Hence BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. This is the proof. So this part is auxiliary part, no need to write. This is for understanding purpose. So this is the proof.